Okay, so this is going to be a clarification video on how I measure the heights of the pendulum. So once again, here is the pendulum. Here is the ruler. Okay, this is a ruler. The pendulum is placed at the 2 distance mark. As you can see, the pendulum and the ruler are as close as possible to each other. This is to prevent the parallax problem, because if the ruler is further away, it's going to be viewed differently from the perspective of the camera. So when I place the camera over here, we know that both the ruler and the pendulum are close to each other. So now we can know the lowest point of the pendulum like this. It's going to be over here. This is going to be the lowest point. And so let's say that the highest point is over here. And we simply do this and we can check what the highest point is, and then we simply subtract these 2 points, and then we know the height it traveled. And so the same for the 1 distance. I'm gonna have to, since this is half the distance, I have to move it towards closer to the camera. And the same with the ruler, I put it closer so that it aligns with the pendulum. Hold on, like this. So once again, they are close to each other. And then in order to know the lowest point, you draw a line from the ruler to the lowest point, and then this point will be the 0 point, and then let's say that the highest point is over here, and once again we make an alignment with the pendulum and the ruler, and we see what the highest point is, and we simply subtract those 2 points to calculate the height it traveled. And so I think that's a good way of measuring the height, and a good way to get rid of the parallax problem. So I hope this is a clarification.